I've got to tell you something. I have enough ego to believe that I still have value. And I say that because I was just now looking at some videos of my nephew's wife and her family that was shot in maybe 2007, 2006. I don't remember on it. I just don't remember. But I feel that I had a purpose then. I went into debt. As a matter of fact, I'm still in debt more than I can say, because I always try to buy the camera equipment that I can record nature. I'm a nature photographer. I'm not a people photographer. But I am so glad that I recorded what I did. I can't show you these videos because I don't have permission to show you. I just don't have the permission to show you. I'm sorry. But I got to tell you, in looking back, I am so glad that I shot those videos. Today, because of the equipment that I have, I can shoot pictures like that. A bird in a tree. And that's what I do. I shoot nature. I shoot flowers, birds, and animals.